khat artarik unailar araja arpaulai ke United Democratic Party kalajit biang ni uba Metbah lingdo kum u President Thymmai bat u Dr. Jimino Mautho kum u General Secretary ke parti. Ke parti kalajit ru haduk prangot ki Working President bat sangot ki Vice President nalor khat wengot ki Secretary nalor ki wei. Ya kini kinongkit kam Thymmai ke UDP lajit ha ke election nongkit kam ke Central Executive Committee balong hene ke sngi. Kum juru jong ke Women's Wing labat biang da kong Pretty Kharpangrup kum ke President bat ka kong Wanda Shisha Renja kum ke Secretary. Nalor kini lapan Thymmai ru ya kinongkit kam ke Farmers Wing ha ke ba UMLA ke Mausan Ram uba Olan Sing Swing ulabat kum u President bat UMLA ke Soyong uba Sen Sharoy Lingdo Thaba kum u Secretary.
So today we had the General Council of the party. After a period of 4 years, we were supposed to have the General Council last year. Okay. Since the term of 3 years has ended last year, from 2019 till 2022. But because of the general election which we just had in 2023, because of the preparation, so last year the party decided that we will postpone the General Council and the same will be held after the general election of 2023. So we have scheduled the same today and we had the council. I should say that we had a very, very successful and meaningful and fruitful General Council this year. And where we have received reports from different districts of the state, and we have received reports also from the wings, like the youth wing, the women's wing, and also at the same time we have received brief reports from the detailed report, I should say, from the General Secretary about the activities, the function of the party at the state level. So most of the delegates who have attended today were very satisfied and very happy with the outcome of the General Council. And the nomination committee, as per the constitution of the party, sat today only during a short break and discuss, bring out the names and propose the same to the National Council for its consent and approval, and where we had already done that, and, under the chairmanship of the person who has been elected by the nomination committee, Marty Toscan. So that's it for the day, and we had the new office bearers of the party, and as you are aware that we have already circulated the names, details of all those who are the office bearers of the party. Kaya ke parti nak kumni tentang berapa laju berau ya kini ba berapa kajing la ba kajing kot jong ke parti ban poi haduk nuput mentak kasing ngalawan oh ni ba kadai lang ba kajing te dekat na ki senior leaders ke parti kinong kesan ke parti ba kontak tata na kapol ni judon kajing kedua kajing lang ki meeting ba pe ki menjui song ki senior leaders kat ya ke parti ban oman su ya marwe kalau ke ba sem jing ba kalau ke ba ma ban long ngidon kam ni kin khot par member ki ba don ke commitment nak kalen joki ke bagi nya cak Mereka ke bagi nilai persang banyak tentang di nilai tinggi Southern Duna coba nilai ketulun ke parti ni lah ya ke long ke parti kuba kalong haduk ke kelima nangis sekemat ngidang dot ke jukut jumuk nak renjungi ba ngindang perkelan cucu ak beli ke parti diki don bon kilinti ba kirukom trekam ki don bon ki mat trekam ru ki bangin haban sim nak banta kebit ke Biang jong inang susung baca pasti.
Aku mau ngipek ni kalau UDP kedua bah kalian grassroots. Aku mau dah kan wala UDP. Intern pat nak grassroots.
Kamduna itu
Ngata?
lada ka vote share jumi ka cross it line up.
Is there any separate identity